Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a rice water and aloe vera juice hair rinse. So if you're interested in this video, please stay tuned. So what you're going to need for this rinse is a container to hold the rice water in, some aloe vera juice which I had in the refrigerator, and some rice. I'm going to be using jasmine rice. You don't have to get too particular about the rice. You can use any rice. Organic will be best. I'm not using organic, but it's okay. And some peppermint oil. You can use any essential oil that you would like, and a spray bottle. So I put about a cup and a half of rice into this mason jar. I already washed it once and I'm just going to pour in some water and I'm going to seal it with the lid and leave it overnight. So I'm going to add a previous clip of me making the aloe vera juice. Like I told you in the beginning of the video, the aloe vera juice that you see in the container was already made, pre-made, and it was in the refrigerator. So this is just a quick little clip of how I made it. So the rice water has been sitting for about 24 hours. I'm going to add that to my spray bottle. I already added the aloe vera juice into the spray bottle, as you can see here. And then I'm going to add the rice water and I'm going to add a few drops of this peppermint oil, which I got from Dollar Tree if I haven't said that already. I'm getting ready to wash my hair. I'm going to grab the rice water and aloe vera mixture and spray it all over my hair. So right now my hair is in some mini twists, which I've been rocking for about 2 weeks now as a protective style. And I'm getting ready to switch up my hair. So I'm just going to spray my hair with the mixture while it's still in these mini twists. So after I'm done spraying my hair, I'm just going to leave the mixture in my hair for about 30 minutes and then I'm going to go ahead and shampoo my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment on my video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.